Hi, I'm Nick, PPC Manager with Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Recently, we've been getting a ton of questions about Google Maps ads. Fortunately, Autoshop Solutions always stays ahead of the curve, and we've been using Google Maps ads for years. Google has been pushing the use of their smart campaigns as a way to utilize Google Maps. A smart campaign essentially gives Google resources and permissions to show your ads in places that are not only on the search engine. When you give Google this permission, you don't really have much control over where your ads are seen or even sometimes what they say. Google explains that its algorithm picks and chooses only the best spots for your ads, and while this may be true, their definition of the best spot usually means the best spot for Google, not necessarily for your shop. At Autoshop Solutions, we link our customers' Google My Business profile to Google Ads and use this link to show ads on Google Maps. The Maps platform looks at the advertiser's address, and when a searcher close by types in a phrase such as brake repair near me or local tire replacement, your ad is eligible to show up. It may appear in the Map Pack, Google Maps, and in a text ad on the search engine results page. We're glad the auto repair industry is catching up and starting to ask for Google Maps advertising because it's so beneficial for shops. It's an essential piece of the search engine puzzle and one of the significant ways shops get found online. And it's the reason we've been doing it for so long. We have many other options as well to help get you found online and incorporate new advertising tactics to benefit your business. Autoshop Solutions can help you implement those tactics on your Google advertising and other innovations. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more or have a question you'd like for us to feature in an Autoshop Academy video, please submit your ideas or questions through the link below or by emailing our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.